So, everyone's freaking out about AI actors like Tilly Norwood and the new tools like Sora 2. Is this the end of real voice actors and on-camera talent? Or is it the biggest creative opportunity since the birth of the internet? Let's talk about it. By the way, I'm Jesse Carroll. I've made over $1 million in voiceover, worked with major brands, and I run VoiceOver School, where we help students get their first job, go full-time, and even earn 6 figures and get nominated for awards and actually win awards now too. I've seen a lot of changes in the industry in my time, but nothing like what's happening right now. And honestly, I'm excited. For real. No cap, as the kids say. Did the kids say that still? I saw it on a video once. Sounded cool. So let's just get this out of the way right away. Tilly Norwood is an AI actor. She is not real. She's not even an actor. She's just an AI, but she's getting real work. Sora 2, on the other hand, is a brand new video tool from OpenAI that lets you create wild, realistic video content just by using your face and a prompt and a bunch of other stuff that it does too. But famously right now, people are using it to make it look like they've won an Oscar or riding a dragon, like pretty much anything you can think of, this thing does. And I think that gives us a lot of opportunity, but it's got people worried, rightfully it should. People are thinking, is this going to decimate the industry? Are we all out of a job? It's a good question. But here's the thing. Every time throughout human history, when there's a new technology, people panic. When the internet started, everyone thought it would kill TV. When digital cameras came out, everyone thought it would kill photography. What actually happened? The industry changed, but it got bigger. More opportunity, not less. That's what we're looking at. I watched this one video about it with Tom Bilyeu, and if you don't know who Tom Bilyeu is, he's the founder of Quest Nutrition, sold it for like $1 billion or something like that. And he has an awesome YouTube channel called Impact Theory. It's gotten a little bit political these days, but every now and then he still throws out killer business content. So just go back and watch his old and some of the new business content. Don't worry about the political commentary. I'm sure we're all sick of politics at this point. But Tom, in a very interesting video when he was doing a presentation about the opportunity of AI, said, there has never been a bigger opportunity since the inception of the internet. You can bury your head in the sand and get run over by people who learn these new skills, or you can pay attention and ride the wave. AI isn't going to destroy acting or voiceover. It's going to create a whole new industry. There will be a market for wild, fantastical, cheesy, and even garbage AI content, but there will also be a market for real human voices and performances. It's not going away. And I'll tell you why. Here's what AI can't do, at least not yet, not even close. It can't take live direction in real time. In a live session for commercials, video games, or animation, I can take direction and pivot in a split second. AI can't do that. You can't write prompts as fast as a director can give me notes and I can make adjustments. Just can't happen. Until the director, the client, and the actor are all AIs, there's always going to be a need for real people. And let's be honest, if AI takes over everything, what are people going to do? We'll just shut it all down and start over. Like, it's the second that everybody loses their jobs to AI is the second that AI gets banned, because we can't just do nothing. People need jobs. People need art. People need connection. None of that comes from AI, and it won't. But here's what's actually exciting. AI is opening up a whole new creative frontier. As a voice actor, I act with my voice. With tools like Sora 2, I can act with my imagination. I can create characters, performances, even visuals that I could never have dreamed of a few years ago. And I can do it like that in a split second and add my own imagination and voice into it, my likeness if I want to. You can use your face, your voice, your creativity, and if you don't like how you look, you can change that too. Make yourself more symmetrical, more jacked or whatever, or less jacked, or the world is your oyster. Do whatever you want to do. And here's the wild part. In 5 years, I might be able to prompt my own video game, put myself and my students inside it, and create a AAA game that blows The Witcher 3 or even The Witcher 4 out of the fucking water. That's why I'm excited. The industry isn't going away. It's changing and evolving. More opportunity, more imagination, more creativity. Imagine being able to offer a full service creative package. Your voice, your acting, your ideas, and now your AI generated visuals. You can help clients create things that were impossible before. You're not just a voice actor anymore. You're a creative director, a producer, a one-person studio. At least that's the way I see it moving into the future. You can disagree with me if you want, bury your head in the stand, and I will steamroll you. So, what should you do? Pay attention, learn the tools, experiment. Don't bury your head in the sand. Get your face involved if you want. Hey, why not? Sora 2 and other AI tools are gonna need real people to train on, to direct, to collaborate with. And don't be afraid of the slop and the cheese. There's gonna be a whole market for that, like there is for B movies and reality TV, but there will always, always, always be a market for real human connection. You could even probably like hybrid it. Imagine using like your real voice in something fantastical that you dream up. Maybe you're a Harry Potter fan. Maybe you do a whole new Harry Potter movie. See, this is where it's gonna get tricky, because then you're gonna have copyright infringements and all kinds of stuff coming into play. But even attacking things that are, out of copyright, I think like after things are 100 years old, it's like fair game and you can use whatever you want. Anyway, I'm just saying that I think that there's going to be a huge market for, I guess imagination is the word I'm looking for, because you can't just prompt something and something amazing comes out. You really have to like engineer it, and you have to have the idea up here in your head first, and then through AI you can make it happen. I know this is going to be a touchy subject for a lot of people, but I really do truly believe that this is the future, the next wave, and I think that you're going to be able to do some amazing things. And here's what I'm doing right now. I'm doubling down in the coming months on learning all these AI tools and how we can totally abuse them for voiceover. I want to stay ahead of the competition, and I'm going to be putting all of that inside VoiceOver School. We've got like a little bit on AI in there right now. I made everybody chatbots that do quoting for you, but I'm making a hard pivot to it. Like I'm going to be very bullish. I am not choosing to bury my head in the sand. I'm not choosing to hate it. I'm going to choose to learn it as best I can and use it for my own dastardly deeds. And if that interests you, consider joining VoiceOver School, where we show you how to get ahead of the competition, book your first job, go full time, and even get nominated and win awards in today's voiceover market, and help you prepare for what's coming, because it is coming. This is your chance to corner the market and thrive, not just survive. And that is my commitment to all of you watching this in VoiceOver School. I am going to drive us to the top of the top, all the way through AI, laughing gleefully as we stay ahead of the market. Does any of that make sense? I'm riffing, people. I'm riffing here. I'm excited, If you want to learn how to future-proof your career, build new skills, and be part of a community that's actually excited about what's coming, check out VoiceOver School. We're not just teaching you how to survive. We're teaching you how to thrive in the new era. This is super salesy today. Listen, I'm not worried about AI, but I want to know, are you excited about AI? Are you scared about it? What opportunities do you see? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, send it to someone you love, send it to someone who you don't love, send it to someone you hate. Why not? But above all, don't quit, don't panic, get creative. A mountain of opportunity is coming, and I, for one, am excited. We'll see you in the next one.